At 50, Lisa was diagnosed with a chronic illness. That changed her life. Instead of accepting defeat, she researched alternative treatments and embraced a healthier lifestyle. She discovered her passion for nutrition. After overcoming her health challenges, Lisa decided to share her journey with others. She started a blog to document her story and provide tips for healthy living. Her authenticity attracted a growing audience, eager for inspiration. With the success of her blog, Lisa launched an online coaching business focused on wellness and nutrition. She offered personalized programs to help others transform their lives just as she had. Word spread quickly about her effective methods. At 55, Mark found himself in a dead-end job. Facing a health scare, he realized he needed a change. With a newfound determination, he pursued his lifelong passion for woodworking. He started creating custom furniture in his garage. Mark shared his woodworking projects on social media, showcasing his craftsmanship. As his online presence grew, he received requests for custom pieces, turning his hobby into a profitable side gig. He was finally doing what he loved. Mark launched his own furniture business, selling handmade pieces at local markets and online. His dedication and unique style attracted a loyal customer base, and he found joy in creating beautiful, functional art. 62, Sarah reinvented herself after a corporate layoff. With a lifelong interest in photography, she picked up her camera and began capturing the beauty of everyday life. She started a photography business focused on portraits and events. As Sarah posted her work online, local families began to notice her talent. She offered affordable sessions and quickly built a portfolio showcasing her unique perspective. Feedback flooded in, encouraging her to pursue her passion further. By 65, Sarah was booked months in advance, establishing herself as a sought-after photographer in our community. Her business not only provided financial stability, but also filled her life with creativity and connection to others. After years of corporate jobs, John decided to follow his dream of growing craft beer. He faced numerous challenges, but remained determined. With a small loan and a savings, he opened a brewery that quickly gained popularity. At 63, John's Brewery became a beloved local hotspot known for its unique flavors and warm atmosphere. He shared his journey through social media, connecting with beer enthusiasts and creating a sense of community around his craft. With passion and hard work, John found fulfillment in later years, proving age is just number. He now enjoys financial success while doing what he loves, regardless of age. These stories exemplify the power of the brilliance and determination, and inspiring others to chase their dreams. They remind us that it's never too late to turn our lives around, pursue our passions, and achieve financial freedom while enjoying life to the fullest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. If this video provided you with value, please continue on to the next video for more ways to improve your life.